How to fix pop-up blocker on Google Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix pop-up blocker settings in Google Chrome, whether you want to block all pop-ups or allow them on specific sites. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Chrome, and now here once inside the Google Chrome, just click on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the drop down, just click on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, look at the left sidebar and simply click on privacy and security. And now here, once inside the privacy and security, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as site settings. So simply click on that. And now here on the new page, simply scroll down and click on the option labeled as pop-ups and redirects. And now here you'll see two options. First is sites can send pop-ups and use redirects, and second is don't allow sites to send pop-ups and use redirects. So here if you want to block all pop-ups, just keep the second option selected, but if you want to allow pop-ups on certain sites, simply select the option that says allow to send pop-ups and use redirects. And after that, if you want to allow pop-ups on YouTube, just type in YouTube and go to the YouTube. And now here, once inside the YouTube, just click on the three dot icon next to the site name. And now here on the pop-up menu, simply toggle on the option that says pop-ups and redirects, and that's it. That's how you can manage and fix pop-ups blocker settings in Google Chrome. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.